Welcome to day 2. I'm so happy you decided to join me today, whether you're taking this class during the 7-day challenge or on its own. Let's get started in Sukhasana, easy pose. Rest your hands on your knees with your palms facing up, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here. If you feel like it, you can take this moment to set an intention for your yoga practice. Maybe something like everything I need is within me, or I am centered and strong, or I am present. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up, and on your exhalation, turn to your right side, the left palm on your right knee and the right hand behind your hip. Left palm stays on your knee while reaching your right arm all the way over to the left, upper body square, and back into your twist. One more time, reaching to the left and twist. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up again and exhale, twist to the left side, right palm to your left knee and the left hand behind your hip. Keep the right palm down while reaching your left arm to the right side for a side stretch and back into your twist. One more time, reach to the right and twist. Inhale, reach both arms up to the sky and exhale, hands into prayer. Close your eyes and come back to your intention. Come into a seated position with your feet on the mat, hands on the back of your legs, and let's go into cat-cow. Inhale, lean forward, bend your elbows and look up if it's comfortable on your neck or keep the gaze forward. Then exhale, lean back, extend your arms and round the spine. A few more rounds following your natural breathing. Last round. And after your next exhalation, come to a straight back and lift your feet up into Navasana, our boat pose. Engage your core and then roll back and forward without touching your feet to the mat. Again. And one more, but this time use the momentum to cross your ankles and lift up into your downward facing dog. Take this first down dog to release any tension you may feel. You can walk out your legs or keep both knees bent or extended. Listen to your body and do whatever feels good right now. This is your practice and it's supposed to make you feel good. Slowly settle into your down dog and then roll forward into plank in a wave-like motion and back into your down dog, leading with the hips. 2 more, rolling forward into plank and lift up. 1 more. And for a Chaturanga, come into plank. Then inhale, shift forward and exhale, lower down. Inhale, up dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Extend your right leg back into your three-leg dog and then shift forward while engaging the core to bring the right knee to the chest and back three-leg dog. Again, but bring the right knee to your left elbow now. Extend. And again, this time right knee to your right elbow. Great job. Extend. And step forward into your crescent lunge. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, hands to your hips. For our lunge squats, start by extending both legs. And then bend both knees to lower down. And up. 5 more. Down. And up. 4. 3. 2. 1. Back to your crescent lunge. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, eagle arms. Right elbow on top of your left arm. Hold your balance. And step your back leg forward into your eagle pose. Left leg over your right. And if it feels good, you can also interlace your ankles. Don't worry if you fall out, just come back into the pose. To release, pull your left knee up to your belly. And gently step back into your crescent lunge. Inhale, reach both arms up, and exhale, ground both hands to the mat. Let's go into some tiger curls to challenge our core. So draw your right knee into your chest and release it to the mat. Then press into the mat to lift your hips up as high as you can, lower down and up again. Just a couple more. 2 more. Last one. And step back into plank and let's float out. Chaturanga, up dog. And sit back into your child's pose. Take this moment to catch your breath and to come back to your intention. Let's repeat the sequence on the other side. Lift up into your downward facing dog with your hands shoulders distance and your feet hip distance apart. Extend your left leg back into three-leg dog and then shift forward while pulling the left knee into the chest and back to three-leg dog. Again, bringing the left knee to your right elbow, extend. And this time left knee to your left elbow, great, extend. And step forward between your hands into your crescent lunge. Feet hip distance and keep your front shin in a straight line from your knee to your ankle. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, hands to your hips. Keep your core engaged for balance. And for another round of our lunge squats, start by extending both legs and then bend both knees to lower down and lift up. 5 more. 4. Halfway there. 2. 1. Back into your crescent lunge. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, eagle arms. Left arm over your right arm, core engaged for balance. Lean forward and step your back leg forward into your eagle pose. Right leg over your left. To release, pull your right knee up to your belly and very gently step back into your crescent lunge. Inhale, reach both arms up and exhale, ground both hands to the mat. For another round of our tiger curls, draw your left knee into your chest and then release the shin to the mat. Press your hands into the mat to lift your hips up as high as you can, pulling the knee into your chest and lower down. Couple more. Really use your core here. 2 more. Step back to plank. And let's float out. Chaturanga, up dog, and lift up into your downward facing dog. Take a few steps or hop forward to come onto your back, hugging both knees in, and maybe rock from side to side if it feels good on your back. For our reverse pigeon, release your left foot to the mat and rest your right ankle on the left leg. You can stay here or lift your left leg up while hugging the left leg in, gently flexing your feet while resting the upper body on the mat. Release and switch sides. Right foot grounded and left ankle to your right leg. Maybe lift the right leg up and enjoy this beautiful stretch. Release and extend both legs wide along the mat for our last pose, Savasana. Arms resting next to your body, palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax into the pose. If you need a bit more support for your lower back, you could place a blanket behind your knees. This is a resting pose, so make it feel comfortable for you. Slowly bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Bend your knees and roll onto your side to come into a comfortable seated position. Inhale, reach both arms up, and exhale, hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.